Meaning of illicitly.
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 Illicitly. The word illicitly means something that is done in violation of laws, rules, or generally accepted standards of behavior. When someone acts illicitly, they are doing something that is considered illegal, immoral, or unethical. The consequences of acting illicitly can range from minor punishments to severe legal repercussions, depending on the nature of the act and the jurisdiction in which it took place. Acting illicitly can often have negative long-term consequences for an individual, including loss of reputation, career setbacks, and damage to personal relationships. It is always advisable to act with integrity and follow the law.